welcome back everybody to Coffee Sometimes Tea with Marcelo and Jen. Jen's actually away doing videos, so I'm going to take this over today. I'm going to talk about our top 10 favorite AI tools for 2024. One of our favorite tools that we have been using a lot. We use these some of these we use on a heavily basis. Other ones we've been touching and playing with. And then, like I say here, are you ready for this? This is a huge game changer, and I know you guys are going to love all this. So, first one is an AI voice cloning by 11 Labs. It's like having a digital twin of your voice, and it's pretty mind-blowing, man. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. Videos here. I'm going to go ahead and click on...
His eyes narrowed as he spoke.
Listen to that.
You sure this is the place, Finn? Finn smirked and took a swig from his mug. Trust me, Jareth. This time, I've got it on good authority.
I guess that's what you get for playing with fire, isn't it? Or would you just say that this is fate?
Chapter 1.
Audiobook.
An unexpected party. In a hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. Not a nasty, dirty, wet hole, filled with the ends of worms and an oozy smell, nor yet a dry, bare, sandy hole with nothing...
Oh, and by the way, it looks like rain is expected this afternoon. I suggest taking an umbrella and leaving a little earlier to account for slower traffic. I should also mention, I noticed a conflict for tomorrow's 3 p.m. Shall I move it 30 minutes later?
Pretty cool, huh? So here's some of the voices. Here's Nicole whispering.
With a soft and whispery American accent, I'm the ideal choice for creating ASMR content, meditative guides, or adding an intimate feel to your
As a proud native of Ireland, I bring a robust Irish accent to your storytelling, perfect for capturing the spirit of Irish tales, folklores, or simply adding an authentic
Born and raised in the charming South, I can add a touch of sweet Southern hospitality to your audiobooks and podcasts.
Here's the AI generator, guys. You have English, you have Hindi. I don't know Hindi, guys. So, you guys let me know if this is true or not. Okay, give me a second while those guys. Let's jump right back.
11 Labs में आपका स्वागत है। इस पाठ को हिंदी में वाक परिवर्तन के लिए नीचे दिए गए प्ले बटन पर क्लिक करें। अपना खुद का पाठ जोड़ें या ड्रॉप डाउन मेनू का उपयोग करके आवाज को अनुकूलित करें। वॉइस क्लोनिंग, डबिंग और आवाज बदलने जैसे
Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's back up real quick. So this is 11 Labs. This is pretty cool. You get AI generated voices, man. Japanese, Chinese, Czech, Hindi, German. Arabic, Italian. Let's see, Filipino.
Sa bawat problema, may kasamang solusyon. Hanapin mo ito.
Let's see, that's cool, man. Croatian.
Bolje je živjeti jedan dan kao lav, nego cijeli život kao ovca.
Pretty tight. So this is, 11 Labs. So let's go ahead and jump into the next one that we use is AI face cloning. This is pretty crazy here too. It's by HeyGen. It creates your own digital double. It's like leaping right into the future. So the next one is the HeyGen, which is like an AI-powered video, right? So let's click on this demo.
Hey there, welcome to HeyGen, where you can easily create fun, high-quality videos using our AI avatars and voices in just a few clicks. You can generate custom videos for social media, presentations, education, and more.
So the glitching, I think, was my computer. Let's try it again.
Hey there, welcome to HeyGen, where you can easily create fun, high-quality videos using our AI avatars and voices in just a few clicks.
So let's close out of here. So this is just different. This is crazy though. Look at all these. Create videos for every team. Here's a sales outreach. put you guys on. I'm going to pause this really quick while we get to the video. Here we go. Here's the video. Check it out.
Hi, Jesse. My name is Mark, and I serve as the Senior Sales Specialist here at HubSpot. I was so excited to learn about HeyGen's interest in our enterprise plan that I wanted to take a moment to personally welcome you to the world of possibilities that HubSpot offers.
This is pretty cool. So you got, these videos. So that's HeyGen. That's another one that's pretty cool that you can use as well. So check these things, check them out. It's HeyGen, HeyGen.ai. It's an AI-powered video creation, right? So the next one we like to use is AI for AI presentations. This is one of our favorite apps that we use. It makes creating presentations a breeze. You guys have seen us use this all the time. We've created several of, it's called Gamma. So, excuse me, we've created several of these with using the AI, the popular one. You guys have seen us use this in the past. So, I'm not going to dive into it 2 minutes. This is like an event planner that we did. So this is a cool app. It generates presentations. So let's see. Let's just go here. Let's just do create an outline for the ridiculous. There's all that there. Then you can go down in here, continue, and it actually will generate a theme for you. The most ridiculous moments in NBA history. See how quick this thing does? And you guys can do anything in here. Shaq's free throw air ball. I mean, easy, guys. Easy. Dennis Rodman's wedding dress. I remember that. Right? So let's go ahead and jump over to the next one's wall. This finishes up here. Conclusions. So then here's your presentation, right? So pretty cool, huh? See how quick that went? That's when Rodman did his dressed up his wedding. And so, I mean, that's a great little app that we use too. So the next one that we like to use is AI Researcher. It's by Perplexity .ai. It's like having an assistant answering Genie. It's wicked smart. It's really cool. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So we can ask this anything. So let's ask, so here, let's go 2024 Grammy winners. So look at that. Pretty cool. Right? And here's all the pictures here on the side. So ask it whatever you want. I mean, and this one actually you could use Copilot. We'll go into explain what Copilot is and all that. So let's see. Oops. Let's add a folder. We don't need to add a folder. My bad. Click the wrong button. Sorry about that. Ask a follow-up question. How many people attended? Well, it doesn't specify how many people attended. So, well, there you go. So, this is another one, which is pretty cool to use. So let's go ahead and jump into the next one. AI Dictator. So this is by Content Scale AI. This is just it detects AI generated content. So content that was generated by AI. So it'll go ahead and check for stuff that was written in an AI or not. So pretty cool, huh? This one's pretty cool too. So Otter AI is another one. Okay. Otter AI is transcribes everything and anything accurately. It's like your own personal note taker. So meetings with save time on Zoom, get answers right away. This is a really cool solution. So we can schedule a demo, meetings. So it'll transcribe everything, which is really cool. And that's a huge help as well when you're running those meetings. And AI video repurposing is Opus Pro. It turns one video into multi-formats, which is a content creator's dream. This is really cool. It's Opus. here, mostly for you do games, for just musicians. So it's pretty cool. Camera controls, train. So watch the demo. Let's check it out. So the hills rolling. It's just clusters of trees surrounded within, covered by lush greens. So there it is. As it's saying to create it, what it's doing, it's going through and it's adding it to the background and through some snow and trees, which is pretty tight. So, humanoids. So Opus, pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and jump back into the other ones. AI testimonials. Here, Bear. So collects feedback. Simply put, it's like having a cheer squad right behind for your brand, right? So let's go check these guys out. Here we go. Screening process. Do an automated screening process.
HireWire can help you with the overwhelming task of screening job applications and collaborating with your team members to find the right candidates. Job boards today have made it so easy for candidates to apply, but it's become a burden for us to screen these applications. It's not uncommon to just have hundreds of...
Cool, right? Just screening interviews, man. So if you're busy, here it is right here. If you're too busy for hiring, you can use that. These people are here to do hiring for you. It's all AI generated, guys. It's amazing. All right, so we don't need to wasting time interviewing your candidates when you're never going to hire. So check it out. So they're awesome. HireVear. So let's go ahead and check out the next one. It's AI generated music by Suno AI. This is going to be cool. This is pretty fun. Make a song for a friend, how you feel. So let's actually.
You gave me life, you gave.
For lunch.
Finally the time has come when my stomach's growling like a drum. In a little glass bowl with colored stones. Woke up, I remember begging you, babe.
Workout, holiday. Listen up, happy song. So let's check it out, man. Let's go make a song. Look at this. There's already stuff that's already done, created. Let's see what's this? The solar tedder. What's this?
My name is Billy Joe and I live in the Jacks, where life is hard and there's no respect. I work at the steel mill from dawn till dusk, but I barely make enough to pay the rent.
Pretty cool, huh? Hit create, so you need to create your sound. We're not going to jump into it, but here's some more through the library. If you look, here's a whole bunch of people that created some songs. So Midnight Fire.
When the moon is high, I feel fire burning deep inside. Middle of the night, it's calling out my name. I can't resist, but caught up in the flame.
Let's hit pause. So these are some people that have already created some stuff. So there's a lot of songs on here, man. Smoke and Clouds. So it's just a remix. Oops, I clicked the wrong button, sorry. So Mind Amaze.
Have you ever felt like you're fading into the dark? Lost in the echoes.
Estoy dispuesto a enfrentar a cualquier enemigo que me quiera derrotar. No hay obstáculo que me pueda detener. Si tú
So this you can do an AI generated music for your presentations, you know, previously if you're doing or preview like videos for, like if you're doing a Zoom, you could do a video to pre-emphasize, you know, the whole meeting. So, or fun stuff like curse of the cuddly one. So let's jump into the next AI generated stuff that we like to. This one we use all the time, obviously, is the Chat GPT 4 is it we use all the time. You guys know what Chat. This is the paid version. You also have the free version, but we use the paid version. Obviously, it helps with a whole bunch of stuff. You know, show me a code, a snippet. So, give me some ideas. You know, this is really cool. If you haven't used ChatGPT, join us at school, and we will show you guys and walk you through some of these amazing AI tools. The last one is, again, don't forget to follow us on all our socials for more AI tips, tricks that can transform your life and business. Follow us at CoffeeSometimesTea. Follow the links down below to all of these that I've talked about today. There will be all a link down there so you guys can check it out and try it. Again, thank you for hanging out with us tonight, and I appreciate it. For Marcelo and Jen, thanks again. Have a great night, you guys.